when the card go live, please purchase one time from the first card. In fact, we are forcing it. We're programming your card not to pay more than one payment, especially within 24 hours. Because some people, they click, or they try to pay for 5, 6. It's not good for you, your reputation with your bank. It's not good for us. Because especially when you pay like 10 payments, same amount within an hour, everybody will be suspicious about that. Anyone will be suspicious about that. And naturally, they block your card. So it's not good for you. And what they do is they refund them. Now it's a chargeback for us. There's commission involved. There's your status. You're going to have the account. Should we block it? Keep it open? Okay. So, as I always said, you just need one account. Is that I only bought one account. I paid for it. Yes, my name is Ash Mubarak. I don't know, came up with this whole crazy business, and I paid for it. Mr. Kamal paid for his account. Not that we're going to market them, but just so we can use them. I need a webinar platform, okay? I paid for it, but I only have one. That's all I need. So if anybody wise or ambitious and they had like 75 accounts, that's not my recommendation. I'm exaggerating, okay? Some people have like a few or more. It's never my preference. I don't see the logic of it, but at least they should have a game plan for that. If you're that ambitious, then you know what you're doing. So you should know, like, use different cards. You should manage that, all right? And I don't know how are you going to use them, but personally, I just needed one account. I bought one account. I paid for it. I'm done. Flawless. And I paid from my card here in America, so there's no excuse. You can do it. And if it doesn't work, you can pay it with crypto. You find a way. So just be aware that, and be careful not to submit more than one payment from the same card. If you have an account, you paid for it, you're done. If you have multiple and you don't want to affect your card being blocked, or until you have to call and this and that, you want to save that time, just pay with crypto. It has no limitation, and you cannot overpay. You're not going to have a duplicate pay. So that's a safer way. And as we said with Mr. Rajiv in the beginning, that it's not illegal to use it anywhere as of now. It's not banned. Okay, so you're fine. If it's available, if you know how to use it, you should be okay. All right. If you look at the most dominant economies now, they are running with cryptos. UAE is a good example.